For over 70 years, InterContinental Hotels and Resorts has been the doorway to luxury travel and discovery. We're here to connect you to the places you're visiting. Through our knowledge and experience, we open up new perspectives for you to discover and create stories of your own. Commanding exclusive views of the River Thames and the City of London is InterContinental London, the O2, located on the buzzing and well-connected Greenwich Peninsula, right beside the world-famous entertainment venue, the O2. The peninsula has excellent connections thanks to the London Underground. We're just over 15 minutes from central London, the West End and London's historic landmarks. With the Prime Meridian line running across our grounds, we are the starting point of time for the rest of the world, a place where East meets West. With 453 luxurious bedrooms, guests can choose from our classic rooms, spacious suites, or perhaps even the opulent penthouse. Start the day with a wonderful breakfast at Market Brasserie or choose from our extensive room service menu. There's plenty to do on the Greenwich Peninsula. Take our direct walkway to the O2 and its world-class entertainment, and the brave can even climb atop the iconic dome. There's also a state-of-the-art driving range nearby. An 8-minute river journey on the Thames Clipper takes you to the heart of Greenwich. Encounter dramatic stories through the National Maritime Museum's collections. Visit the Cutty Sark, the fastest ship of her time, and admire the painted hall at the Old Royal Naval College. Speak to our knowledgeable concierge team who can book bespoke and private tours for you. In the heart of Greenwich, explore one of London's oldest markets. Alternatively, if you're after popular international brands, look no further than London's West End. After a day of adventure, wind down in our luxurious spa with a 17-metre indoor pool, 8 treatment rooms, a sauna and a steam room. Why not take a gin flight in the Clipper Bar and sample various fusions created by our talented mixologists? Our ambassador members can relax in the Club InterContinental Executive Lounge, a haven within the hotel. Embark on a truly extraordinary culinary experience at the award-winning Peninsula restaurant. And end your perfect day with a wonderful cocktail and stunning views of London at 18 Sky Bar. Discover London from a fresh perspective and create timeless memories with us.